Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get Candy Blossom and grow a garden. Big deal, guys, that you need to have Roblox on your phone and you need to be logged in. So let's go on to the game and I'm going to show you guys that I got the Candy Blossom and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys right here. So let's just wait for it to load up. Alright, just going to give it a second and you guys will see that we got it. Alright. So let's just give it a minute to load, and as you can see, if I go over here, you can see I do have the Candy Blossom. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super easy, guys, if you follow my tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, look at that, guys. This is super cool. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and go to our browser, and we're just going to go ahead and go to the website blossomglitch.com. So let me just type it in right here. So this is the website, guys. So once you're on the site, what we're going to do is just go ahead and press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start installing it. So before it installs, you need to pick whether you're using iPhone or Android. So pick your device, press inject, and then before it actually gets the Candy Blossom, you have to do a verification. This takes like a couple minutes. It's just part of the process. After this thing comes up, we're just going to go ahead and press the button that says verify now, and it's going to bring us to the list of apps, and what we have to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. So it's 100% free. So as you can see, we got all these apps here, so I don't really care which one you do, but I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. So it's going to bring me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app, so let's just give it a second to redirect me here, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this one, and now I'm going to go back on the list and download another one. So let me just go back, and for the second one, I'm going to do the Family Island. So back to the App Store, and now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. So let me just go ahead and do that. So let's just see if they're done yet or not. And the Travel Town is almost done, so we're just going to run it right here, just doing some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so it's super easy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to run this right here. Just doing some basic interactions. Okay, let's just go ahead and run this for a little bit more. So I'm just going to do this right here. Alright, so we're done. So let's go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Family Island. And it's the same thing, guys. You just want to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's fairly simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so let me just go ahead and run it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and run this for a little bit more here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do this right here. So I think we're pretty much done, so let's go ahead and see if it worked. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Roblox. It might take like 15 minutes after the process completed for the Candy Blossom to arrive, but be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, as you can see, it is working. Let's go ahead and join Grow a Garden just so you guys can see. But look at this, guys, it's so cool. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load here, as you can see. Alright, and let's check it out, and let's see what happens. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and as you can see, guys, it works. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out, bro.